Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for Betterment in your intermediate first year. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam pattern. This foundational step is crucial for targeted preparation. Next, pinpoint your weak areas from your previous attempt. Perhaps you struggled with specific concepts or question types. Finally, develop a realistic and structured study timetable. This plan should allocate dedicated time for each subject, ensuring comprehensive coverage and consistent progress towards achieving your improved scores. To study smarter, prioritize conceptual understanding over rote memorization. When you grasp the why behind a topic, it sticks better and helps with problem solving. Regularly practice solving previous year's question papers. This familiarizes you with the exam format and common question types. Aim to solve at least 5 to 7 papers for each subject. Additionally, create concise, easy-to-read notes for quick revision. These personal summaries will be invaluable in the final days leading up to your Betterment examination. Effective time management is key to Betterment success. Allocate dedicated time slots for each subject daily, ensuring a balanced approach. For instance, you might study mathematics for 90 minutes, then physics for 60 minutes. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, every 45 to 60 minutes of study to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Consistent revision is also vital. Revisit key topics multiple times throughout your preparation. This reinforces learning and helps solidify information in your long-term memory. On exam day, maintaining a positive attitude and managing stress are paramount. Trust in your preparation and stay calm. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before the exam. A well-rested mind performs optimally. In the morning, do a quick review of important formulas, definitions, and key concepts. Avoid cramming new information. Arrive at the examination center well in advance, about 30 minutes early. To settle in and mentally prepare, you've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.